Understanding the phrase, drone hobbyist. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and increasingly popular term, drone hobbyist. Whether you're new to English or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday conversations. First, let's break down the word drone. A drone is an unmanned aircraft or flying device. These devices are often controlled remotely and can range from simple, toy-like gadgets to sophisticated flying machines with cameras and other technology. Drones are used for a variety of purposes, from photography and videography to mapping and even delivery services. Now, let's understand the term hobbyist. A hobbyist is someone who engages in an activity for pleasure and relaxation rather than for professional or commercial reasons. A hobbyist often spends their free time pursuing their interest, learning more about it, and developing their skills in a particular area. Combining these two definitions, a drone hobbyist is a person who operates drones for fun and not as a part of their job. They often fly drones to capture stunning aerial photos or videos, explore new heights, or simply enjoy the experience of flying. Drone hobbyists usually invest in their equipment and might even join clubs or groups where they can share their experiences and learn from others. The popularity of being a drone hobbyist has skyrocketed in recent years. This surge is due to the advancements in drone technology and their increasing affordability. People of all ages and backgrounds are taking up drone flying as a hobby, enjoying the unique perspectives it provides and the joy of piloting a device through the sky. It's important for drone hobbyists to be aware of local laws and regulations regarding drone flying. Many countries have specific rules about where and how drones can be flown, often to ensure safety and privacy. Responsible drone hobbyists always stay informed about these regulations and respect them during their activities. I hope this video has been enlightening and has helped you understand the exciting world of drone hobbyists. Whether you're thinking of becoming one or just wanted to learn about the term, remember that it's a hobby that combines technology, skill, and the joy of exploration. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring new words and phrases in English.